Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable or disable clipboard history on Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click System. Click Clipboard. Turn on clipboard history. Type Notepad in Windows search bar. Click Notepad. Press Windows key and V. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.